Alright people, welcome back. Okay, so day, what, 2? Day 3? I don't know, I kind of lose track. So, this dang thing, we're back again. Just gonna get back to diagnosing this thing. So, yeah, crank no start. Again, if you were here for us for the last video, we went through, redid the crank sensor, redid the crank sensor connector, all that stuff because it had corroded and fallen apart, and we're back to crank no start. So doing a little bit more research. There's no codes, by the way, no check engine light, no codes, absolutely nothing out of the ordinary. So engine controller is commanding, I'll show you with the scan tool here in a minute. The engine controller is commanding the engine, everything good, like commanding it to crank, like it has no problems. So you can monitor everything, like the park position, make sure it's in park neutral position. That will keep it from starting. You can monitor the key, it'll make sure it's not mad about the key not being correct. Everything, yeah, it's pretty crazy. Cam and crank signal correlation to make sure they're in synchronization, just a lot of stuff. So monitor all that stuff. Everything looks fine. Everything you can monitor standard wise looks fine. So basically boils down to we're gonna spin around. The engine controller over here is fine, and it's telling this thing to power on a relay to then power out to the fuel pump and the fuel tank. And essentially what's happening is this sucker is not powering up the relay to power up the fuel tank. So what we're going to do right now is verify that's my theory. So we're going to verify my theory. So the problem being is it's not like a relay like one of these guys. Like, it's not one of these that you can just let me just pop this out and swap it with the horn relay, and then we should be good to go. It should start, right? Like, yeah, that'd be nice, but that's not the case with these Dodges, unfortunately. The relay is internal. It's built into the circuit board underneath this relay and circuit, this fuse and relay array. So unfortunately, it's either replace this entire box, like the entirety of this thing, which then it'll have to program it to the car, or program it to the vehicle specifically, or basically what you do is you buy a relay elimination kit, or it's like a bypass kit. Essentially, you install a standalone external relay for the fuel pump and wire it into the wiring for this thing, which is actually pretty easy. There's not a lot of wiring going on from this. It's just the power for the coil, the 2 wires for the coil power inside of here, and then the 2 wires going out, or excuse me, 1 wire going out to the fuel pump, and then 1 wire command coming in from, or excuse me, 1 wire coming in from constant power to provide power to the fuel pump. So it's 4 wires in total. So basically you just wire in your own standalone relay and cut this thing out of the circuit. So that's what we're going to end up doing. I just want to confirm this thing is legit not sending power to the fuel tank. I know that it's the PCM is telling this to power up, because you watch it with the scan tool data and it tells it it's good to go, which I can confirm it with the multimeter if need be. But anyway, we're gonna circle back to that. I'm gonna go down there and get everything started. I've got it kind of set up here, and I'll yeah, get back to you. We'll get it all set up, and I'll show you where to plug in if you want to check this with a multimeter to verify, like I'm gonna verify. Tenderly. Oh, it's such a hard spot to get to laying down. Oh, there's our culprit. Blue and orange, people. Blue and orange, woo! Let's go, baby. Oh, not the time to have a friggin' hood. I'm telling you. Take this shit off. Okay. And that's not the only one that's... Oh, come on, hand. My hand does not want to work. Such a weird angle. I love it. Okay. I think we're set up. We just need to find a place for the ground. Oh. Should do it. Hopefully it's not the fuel pump itself. Could be. If it is, so be it. We'll do it. So we're going to crank the engine over, and we should see 12 volts come up on this as we're cranking the engine over. And if we don't see 12 volts come up on this, I'm going to double check my connections. But otherwise, yeah, we're going to go ahead and verify there's no output further up there to tipm, but I'm gonna order the bypass kit, the relay bypass kit, and we're just gonna install that because it's pretty common for these to fail. So that's it. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, we're back with the assistance of my lovely assistant here. We're going to crank this thing over and see. Again, I'm going to laugh if it starts this time. Just randomly. Go ahead and fire it over. Okay, we're good. We got little blips, but nothing. Try it one more time. Yeah, we get like a little initial surge of voltage, like almost a volt, and then nothing. So it's just not powering the fuel pump. Alright, well, cool. Well, there you have it. So we'll do a little bit further verifying, but yeah, that's gonna pretty well verify it for us. We're you know, doing the good work here, getting after it. So thank you, appreciate the help.
Me and my poncho.
Yeah. Alright, so we gave it a good shot there. Seems like it's going to be a tipm issue, so we will get back to you further. So stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for joining us. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't. It really helps us out. We're a growing channel. And yeah, until then, we'll see you the next time.